Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are touring the Asaba Onitsha Expressway. The last time I gave you guys update concerning this road, I made it brief, but today we're gonna be exploring the road to and fro. So this is where they currently are, and here is MTN office opposite us. That building you are seeing over there is the MTN office in Asaba. I think their headquarters in Asaba. So this is where they currently are. So from here we will head down to Ezene stroke Bonsac Junction, where they has a little demarcation around that place. They kind of give a little space. I'm yet to know the reason why that space is there, but I think they will still cover it somehow. I'm yet to know, or maybe kind of divert. I'm yet to understand, but I believe with time the reason for it will surface, or maybe they will still come back to it. So this is the looks of thing around here. So this is still around the Junction slash MTN. So this is the looks of things. For those asking me questions, they are currently in front of that MTN office. That is where they currently are. So there's no tractors or workers on site because today is Sunday. They are currently on rest. So they are resting today. Maybe by tomorrow they will commence the work again. So the last time we showed you guys update concerning this road, they were at that Ezene axis, which I told you in my last video. They were around that Ezene axis, and today from that Ezene Bonsac Junction, they are now at that MTN area. But one thing I'm still confused about the road is that there's no drainage system yet. If they will still build drainage system, I'm yet to know, but for now there's no drainage system. And the size of the road is somehow tiny, honestly. Like, it's not that wide, merely looking at it. So if they still wide the road, I'm yet to know, not not aware for now. So let's just fold our arms and continue watching what will happen after that. So I think we are currently approaching Ezene, which is Ezene stroke Bonsac axis, to show you what I was talking about before. The place I told you that there is a little bit demarcation, like they made a little space over there. And that space they made there, you also find it if you go across the Koka. If you head over across Koka, there's another one around there. So before the summit junction. So these looks of things over here, like I told you in one of my videos I made before this one, I told you that across their Koka, they have already started work around there, which I covered a little on this video. So after this particular side, we cross over to we head over to Koka, cross it over, and then showed you what they are currently doing around that place. So guys, the last video I made before this one, I told you guys that my gimbal has broken. What actually stabilized my video to make it look more neat when watching, even though my camera is not that sharp. So this particular video you are watching is currently it's somehow shaky. It's shaking. If you are looking at it, it's shaking, but it's just manageable. So I just feel like telling you guys so you don't get bored when watching the video. So somehow shaky because there's no gimbal on this one, so I just did the video, stabilize it with some app like that. So but I'm still noticing the problems around the video. So this is a Zene. We are currently around the Zene, and by our left hand side is a Bonsac. Well, left hand side is Bonsac. By the right is the Zene Junction, which where they erected that statue. That is the Zene Junction. If you follow there, you start heading to traffic inside town of Asaba. So if you look very very away over there, you'll be seeing what I want to show you. So this is the Zene. This is the statue. So this is where I'm talking about. You can see that little space around that place. So they stopped over there and they give a little space and start another one from here. So if you go over to that place, to this particular one, you will see something like looks, it seems like marking like kind of map like you are seeing in the video. So I'm yet to know what they want to do there, or maybe there's any design they want to do around that place. I'm yet to know, or maybe because that place is Junction or something. I'm just yet to know. I'm confused about the area. So from here we hit down a little bit, down before the former deputy. Then we stopped and crossed over the Koka. We head over to Koka and then cross it over to show you that area. So we have stopped around that place, and this is the Koka axis. Across that Koka, if you are going to Summit, across it. So this is the looks of things. If I turn around, this is where they currently are. That is where they stops around this Koka. Then from here heading down to Summit. So if you have not watched from that after Zinei down to Koka side, before crossing it over, I will be leaving a link on this particular video, so you go and check it out from my old videos. So there's nothing that has been added around there, so there's no need of me covering them. The way it was before is the way it is now, so nothing to look at, nothing to see. I will give you guys link to my old video so you can watch it. So the way it is the way I still the same now. So from here we were heading towards Summit side. So this is the looks of things across that Koka heading towards Summit. So they have started doing concrete around here too. So just after before that leg over around Summit, then this concrete pouring will stop. Then they start the removing of or removal of what is it called, the old asphalting commenced just after that leg over around Summit. So that is what they are currently doing around that place. So this is the looks of things around here, and this is the latest updates you can get from us for now. There's nothing much, so just leave us your own comment via the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So subscribing, keep on sharing, give us your own take. We want to hear from you. What do you feel about the road? And for the drainage system, I'm yet to know if the drainage system will come in, or there will be no any drainage system. And that drainage system or canal, something like a drainage canal that is happening inside street, which I've made video about. I have uploaded it on this channel. I'll also be leaving link of it here. That particular drainage system, I don't think it has anything to do with this express. I think that one is maybe being done by the state government, which I made mention in that video. They are just building it to a kind of contain the flood happening around Asaba during rainy season. So that is what they are currently doing there, which I also mentioned in that video, that they are still doing the same inside a town around that Summit. Once you get to Summit, head inside town as if you are going to Intabua. Such thing is also happening there, and it's happening around that my road. Everywhere in Asaba, they are just trying to contain the flood happening during rainy season. That is what they are doing there. So guys, this is the looks of things around here. Like I said earlier, in case you jumped, maybe you skipped the video, this is after Koka. If you are going towards Summit, this one is after Koka. They have started pouring concrete after the Koka heading towards Summit. So this is the looks of thing around here. That is how the whole thing is. This is the size of the road. If anything will be attached to it or they will still expand it, I'm yet to know. For now, we are not aware. So let's just keep watching as the whole thing keep unfolding. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, and always share. We want to get to 6k subscribers before the middle of this month. We are unable to reach it last month because I said I want to get to 6k by the end of January, but we are unable to get to 6k. So guys, kindly help us subscribe. Let's get to 6k before the middle of this month. Thank you for watching, guys. I do have a wonderful day. You can continue with the video. At the end of the video, I zoom it a little bit to show you the leg over. At that summit, you will see it, how everything is looking. So thank you for watching, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next update.